Welcome to the CFlex Single-Use Cystoscope in-service training video. We'll review setup, operation, and safe use. This video is intended to be a visual supplement to our operations and maintenance manual, not a replacement of it. Please consult the manual prior to using Verathon products. The CFlex system includes the single-use cystoscope, the reusable quick connect cable, the essential workstation, and a compatible Verathon monitor. Before a case, charge the battery on the monitor using the supplied Verathon power adapter. Open the CFlex pouch. If available, place the scope in the Verathon endoscope holder while keeping the scope inside the protective sleeve. Remove the handle cover. Connect the quick connect cable to the back of the monitor, aligning the gray dots. When aligned correctly, the two will magnetically connect. Then, attach the other end of the cable to the cystoscope in the same manner. Note that both ends of the quick connect cable are the same. Power on the monitor by holding down the power button for 3 seconds. Confirm a live image is displayed. Connect irrigation fluid by attaching tubing securely to the port at the top of the handle. Remove the scope from the scope holder, leaving the protective sleeve in the holder. Inspect the scope for damage. Move the control lever up and down to check tip articulation. The irrigation lever controls fluid flow right at your fingertips. Down is off, up is on. Moving the lever part way lets you adjust the irrigation volume. Always begin with the lever fully down before connecting tubing. The accessory port allows you to introduce fluids or compatible instruments through the working channel. With this integrated port, no additional adapters are needed for instrument use or irrigation control. Be sure the irrigation control lever is in the off or down position before connecting a syringe or inserting an instrument to prevent leakage. For fluids, open the valve by turning it counterclockwise. When using a syringe, either attach a luer lock syringe to the luer fitting, twisting the syringe to secure, or simply push on a standard slip tip syringe to the luer fitting. For instruments, open the valve and gently insert through the port and working channel. Then secure the valve by turning it clockwise tightly enough to prevent leakage. If the cystoscope will not be used immediately, or if it needs to be set down during a procedure, place it in the Verathon endoscope holder. Always keep the protective sleeve on when storing the scope to maintain cleanliness. The home screen displays the live feed. Use the touchscreen to adjust brightness, record video, take snapshots, and enter patient notes if needed. After the procedure, power down the monitor by holding down the power button for 3 seconds. Disconnect the cable from the scope. Store the end of the cable in the convenient cable holder on the top of the monitor. Be sure not to dispose of the cable, as it is designed to be reusable. Dispose of the scope as biohazard waste, or recycle as appropriate. See the operations and maintenance manual for approved cleaning solutions, as well as any further information.